Now we start debugging paste function. Take off the suction or needle parts. Install the glue bucket. Lift glue bucket, rotate the shaft. Rotate gear. The plane of the shaft should be aligned with screw, locking screw. Install paste rail. It's in the middle. Note that there must be a gap between the two guide rails. For paper pass through smoothly. Loose 2 screws. Can adjust height of glue bucket. Loose the screw can adjust the gap between gear and paper. The gear need touch the paper. Adjust height difference of 2 signature papers. Loose screw at the back. The outside paper turn up when clockwise, down counterclockwise. Adjust left-right difference of 2 signature papers by push rod. Now adjust paste pressure time. Click jog, let paper just in the middle of the wheel. Loose screw. Clockwise rotate cam. Then turn back again until you can't move. Now adjust the paper pressure. Turn left, press light. Paper can come through with a little pressure, then it's okay. After finished, adjust, fix it accord to video. Before put in glue, take off limit part and lift the glue bucket. Click glue motor run, the gear will anti-clockwise turn is correct. If gear turn with clockwise, then exchange any 2 wire position of U3V3W3. Gear anti-clockwise turn, put in glue. Clockwise turn glue reduce. If glue too large, it will overflow. Before machine start work, close glue motor, put down the glue bucket. Adjust speed. Click air pump, auto, machine start work. Paper press too much, adjust tightness, let paper come down smooth. When paste, close not inserted detection. Paper come not smooth. Paper not come through under the plate. Put down telescopic rod, let paper come through inside. If paper size too small, we can also use press steel, assist paper come through inside. You can choose 3 size paging plate accord to paper size. Belt height adjustable. Belt can close to paper, but do not touch the paper. Same adjust on the left belt. Paging plate height need adjust accord to paper size. The paper need come through inside. There have big gap between paging plate and corrugated plate. Recommend exchange a bigger paging plate. Daily maintenance. Click jog. Slow down speed, add oil. Tighten chain and screws. Glue bucket clean, need clean every corner. Loose 4 screw. Every parts need clean. Pay attention, do not broken gear. Add grease.